Ano yung mga senyales, Dok, na ang tooth infection, posibleng nasa utak na or nasa puso na po natin?
Ayan, matindi yan, ano? And I'd like to show this through a picture, Miss Cheryl, no? Sa ating picture number 13. Napakahalaga po ito for us to consider na ang oral health natin has a systemic connection. Dito po sa picture na to makikita nyo, no? Na mula sa ngipin, it travels to the bloodstream. On the right, makikita po ninyo yung ugat na ito. And then, it causes narrowing. At yung narrowing na ito, may makikita kayong naka-highlight. The narrowing could happen in the artery of the heart as well as in the artery in the brain. Kaya pwede siyang mag-cause nga ng stroke. At sa picture number 15, marirealize natin madami ang pwedeng maging karamdaman natin. On the left, makikita nyo, it can affect the bones. Magiging very brittle ang ating bones. Upper part, you can see it can affect the lungs. Next, it can affect the heart. Next, makikita nyo, it can affect our brain. And later on, makikita nyo, it can also affect our blood. Ayan, Miss Cheryl. Ang dami, no? Simpleng problema sa bibig natin.
At minsan binabaliwala natin o hindi natin binibigyang halaga. Ayan po ang ating oral health. Pero pwede palang it could lead to a more serious problem